Hey guys, the Forager here. Why I'm out in the woods today? It is July 6th, I think. I'm actually looking for early pine. If you not know, in my videos, July pine, it happens during this time of year, and I thought I'd give it a shot. And especially when another picker actually brought me some very bad looking pine, so I thought I'd decide to come and check for myself. And wouldn't you know it, we found our first pine right down there. This is July 6th, and I didn't find it. It was Van that found it. Let her pick it. Here she goes. Look at that. And mind you, it is 92 degrees today. And now what I noticed, that the pine those guys brought me weren't really wormy at all, even with this heat. So let's see if we can find some more. Vaughn found one. I finally found one of my own, but it's been a while since we last found that one that she found. But hey, it's still a pine. Check that out. I know it's a very bad condition, but still, it's a pine, guys. July 6th. Check that out. That is a pine, people. I didn't skunk out. If you want to know if you're in the right area, it's very easy. You look for these right here. Alatropa virgata. So it's a parasitic plant that feeds mainly on pine mushroom mycelia. So if you see these, so there's the pine mushroom mycelia all around that area. So that's a good place to start. And wouldn't you know it, it's been a while since I found some, but look at that too. And guys, it's July 6th. Look at that. Look at that. Holy smoke. So, he's gonna be nice. Oh, check that beauty out. It's a number one. Number one, baby. How about this guy? Oh, nice. Oh, that's a number two. Beautiful mushroom. And it's a 91 today. 91, and guess where? I got found one more, honey, right by your feet. Yeah. July 6th, people. Out looking for pine. I was actually out here last week looking for these. I didn't find any, so I didn't think to look again until a picker brought some, a very dry, bad looking, not as fresh as this, brought it over. But I bought it just to eat it. I didn't think nothing of it, and me and Vaughn were like, hey, let's go check. We ain't got nothing to do anyway, so good thing we did. She found a whole bunch right by me, guys. Right by me. Look at that. Let's get a better angle. Look at that.
Number one?
Yeah. Number one. Check out that guy. A whole bunch too. Is a whole bunch this time of year. Beautiful, honey. And again, look for these when you're looking for pine. And it is July 6th. And there's the habitat, people. Mossy. Beautiful. What do you got? Got just a stem. Animal ate it. She found again, guys. Look at that. That's a button. That is a button, my friends. Look at that. And give it a squeeze. Oh, they're really solid. And the funny thing is, even that many years ago where I found these in July, I picked like 100 pounds at noon. There were hardly any worms, but they did have grubs eating on them. And then they were underneath the pine mushroom, and the bear had a combo meal. I found one too, probably about 20 steps from where Vaughn found that. Look at that, guys. Hey. Look, you can hit as hard as hell and it's not gonna break. Oh, check that out. Look at that. Holy smoke. Beautiful, nice and white, guys. July 6th. Me and Vitamin just going up in elevation because we see a lot of flower, you know, a few buttons, but the idea is to go up higher and to find buttons, but we haven't found button. Elevation is around 2,000 feet if you're asking, but there's another one. Check that out. Look at that, nice and hardy. And we notice that it's very, very, I said, fragrant smell. It's a lot stronger than we normally find on the regular season. I just thought I'd point that out to you. Let's keep going. Found another one under the slough. Oh, look, there's one there. And over, this is what I was talking about. Right under here, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, check that out. Look at that. Woo. You get that one.
Yeah. What?
That's gone. You see the spores? That's the spore. Okay, because got the ground heated it up. Go get that one, honey. So, and you notice that they're in Oregon grape. Not just the Oregon grape, there is some slough around us too. Yeah. See, that's slough. So, if you want to know, now you know. Elevation's 2,000 feet. Whew, beautiful. Once you find one, you know, up, down, left, right, I know some of you know it, but some of you know that. But if those of you that don't know, yeah, once you find it, up, down, left, right, and right there, honey, under that, there. So, see, yeah, go up, down, left, right, and you might find yourself a few more, like we did. That's a number 2. Just keep looking. You also want to go really, really slow when you find some, okay? Because just a half a step too fast, you might miss it. Found some more. Yeah, we're actually picking in the same area. Oh, nice. That we pick our, you know, during the regular season. So that one year we grew in July, we actually double dip. So after we pick, they flush about 3 weeks. And then on the regular season, it came back. So if anybody want to know, can you get a second crop? Of course you can. Oh, nice. That was just so much fun, guys. I'm standing over here, but I can see something white over there. Can you see it? I'm gonna walk up to it. Let's do a little test. Can you spot it? I'm heading straight towards it. Can you guys see it? Oh, I see 2. There we go. That's 1. And that's 2. Hey guys, when you while you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that like and share. Tell your friends that they're up in certain areas, not all areas, and also subscribe. Help me out. I'm helping you out. Help me out. Oh, it is nice. Oh yeah, man, I guarantee you they're not wormy. Beautiful mushroom. Vaughn, see if she sees it. Ow, with your feet. That's a nice one. And don't forget to stay tuned later. Vaughn's gonna be in the kitchen. We're gonna cook up a little early pine mushroom, July 6th. Good, nice and white. Jeez. Well, that's it. Follow us into the kitchen. And let's see what Von's gonna do with it. That's what we end up with. And we're gonna clean a few to eat. We're gonna clean these two. We're gonna eat these two, but still, pretty good day. Pretty good shit. And just to prove to you that it's not wormy, I'm gonna split it for you. Look at that. Beautiful, right? No worms. Just give it a good rinse. Clean up the top. And it should be clean if she looked like that. Yeah, we need just to get all the dirt off the gills. And then if there's any dirt left on the side, you can trim it, but it looks like it's coming off pretty good. Look at that. Would you eat that? I would. That's one. Yeah, just make sure to get all the dirt out, especially under these. So a little pressure is good. Look how nice they are. And that is it. I normally just cut it like this, like that, and then like that. And I mean, I'm just gonna skewer it, so. And then we're gonna marinate it in some oyster sauce and then throw it on a grill. And then we're gonna have some steak to go with it. That's it. We're gonna do that to the other one too. Okay, second one's done. She's going in here. Just mix it in really well. So I'm gonna skewer these up. I like mine chunky, so whatever how you guys like them. Okay, we're also gonna do that to the steak as well. Same thing, chicken bouillon a little bit, some oyster sauce. Just smother it like that, flip it over like that, then flip it over again. Make sure you get it marinated really good. So we're gonna have steak with Matsutake on top. Oh.
Nice.
Now let's make our dipping sauce for the pine and the steak. About a half a spoon of salt, full spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of lime juice, and then you want to add some garlic. There you go, and make sure to stir it really well. Mix it all in, some chili paste, and some chicken bouillon, and that's it. That's our dipping sauce. Mm, delicious. You got the barbecue, flame, and you got the pan fry, ramp butter, and of course, Van's sauce. Overall, it's a 10. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya.